Okay, here's my problem. All power's off, so hydraulics are off. I turn the handle, and the table's moving. Now, I turn on the hydraulics. Now they're disengaged. Now, the information I was waiting for the other day was, have I got the controls set up? And the answer is yes. I'm supposed to put him into E, which is supposed to enable that handle. It hasn't happened. So what I'm facing now is I have to take this cover off, and potentially this one, to get access to the valve that's, I think, leaking, in order to sort it out. Now you might say, well, why run it with the hydraulics? Well, if I don't, then that grinding wheel floats around and we end up with errors on the diameter. So I need to run the hydraulics. So that's basically it. Embarrassing, but it is as it is. I will get that thing off this afternoon. Hopefully, as I say, I design machines, so I think my analysis is pretty accurate. The hydraulics, there is a leak on the valve, so it's actually detaching the hand wheel when it shouldn't. It should be holding back the pressure, so that it doesn't disengage the hand wheel. So that's basically it. So what I plan on doing is finding a feed pipe to that mechanism for detaching the hand wheel, and then just blank it off for now. That way I can run the hydraulics. I get the stability in the x-axis, which is the backing cross slide, and then the z-axis I can maneuver with the handle. So that's where we are.